All right, guys, come with me to the office this morning. I have a 7:30 appointment with somebody for scrambler therapy. I have another one right after that. I absolutely love my morning appointments. They're my favorite because I'm so fired up and ready to go. I've had my coffee, so all right, gotta get going. Join me. So what is it like sitting next to me in the car when I go to work in the morning? Well, I usually jam and listen to a bunch of tunes. So let me see what's on the radio right now. And sorry, I don't have a mount to do the fancy clip thing so you can actually sit and stare at me while I drive. And safety first, guys, always. So I'm gonna put this phone down and turn up. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I don't have to put this phone down. I actually have this right here, duh. Okay, here we go. See what's on the radio. You see what my style is. That's the station I like.
August 26th. Good morning. Welcome to the show. Give us up, Valentine. You get Jill, John, Brian.
Ooh, no music right now. Gotta pay attention to driving, y'all. All right, guys, sorry, I had to concentrate. So I had to turn it off. But now we're coming up to a stoplight. So here's a song I like to listen to. Well, just whatever's on the radio. Did you know listening to music, singing, humming, dancing, gentle movements are all things that can stimulate the vagus nerve and put you into a really nice state of mind? It's called rest and digest. It's that place where you just feel good. Maybe you feel a little tired. You definitely feel maybe a little hungry. All those really happy, great things you feel when your vagus nerve is stimulated and you move from what's called fight or flight into rest and digest. So that's why I like to listen to music on the way to work. I have a very short 5-minute drive. Well, 7 minutes these days, but still very short drive. So I like to pump some tunes a little bit before I get into work and just get myself into the most happy, cheerful, great mood possible. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna turn this off so I can focus. You guys get to have a little sneak peek inside the office before anybody shows up today. So. Nobody's here yet. All right, I was told I could show you guys a few of the offices, even if they're not here. So this is Sage Evanow Neurofeedback. Isn't that so cute? I love her room. It's so adorable, and her fractals picture's so pretty. And then this is our main lobby. Some of the practitioners here. And then this is Stephanie, our physical therapist in here. We have a break room here, and then down here we have Julie. I really should be turning lights on, I guess, huh? But this is one of the rooms here that she has. And then she has another one over here. She does acupuncture, cupping. She's done red light therapy like me. So lots of good stuff over on this side of the office. Then this is an entrance from the Boulevard. If you come down this way, this is where I'm at. Let there be light. Nurse's station, the blood draw room here. I know I've showed you guys some of this stuff before, but I figured, why not give you another tour while nobody's here? Okay, so medical offices here. And then these are some offices that are not for the general public. This is one of our other blood draw rooms. Upstairs, not for the general public. These are our 2 bathrooms here, one for us, one for you guys. And another small medical room here. I don't know if we're open right now or not. We're not. So this is Erica and Christina, and they do massage, aesthetics, lymphatic drainage. I'm actually right across from them. This is me. Scrambler therapy, the best device ever, right here in Ventura County. And then, of course, we have my amazing red light therapy and the newest, our Shockwave, which we're so excited about. If you guys want to check it out, let me know. And finishing it up. So here's the nurse's station on the other side. We just made a U. And then this is another medical office here. Beautiful view of the mountains. And another one in here. And the last one is in here. There you go, guys. So that is another quick tour of Thrive Wellness here in Camarillo, California. We would love to see you guys, so stop by. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.